16 in the bracket raised to the power of minus 3 over 4. Solution. Now we're going to remove this minus. If we remove this minus, this will reverse. We'll be having 16 over 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. The minus is gone. The bracket is reversed. Right? The next thing is to find the fourth root of the powers in the bracket. The fourth root is like this. The fourth root of 16 over 81. Then all multiply by 3. Okay? It's more difficult. How do we know the fourth root of 16? The fourth root of 16 is 2 times 2 times 2. And to know the fourth root of 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Remember, it's fourth root. So at the end, we are going to speak only one, which will be 2 over 3. Raised to the power of 3. That is what it means to pick only one, because there are 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick one. So at the end, 2 raised to the power 3, you have 8. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. These 3 belong to both the numerator and the denominator. And so the correct answer is 8 over 27.